Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a triple integral example. But if you haven't explored single and double integrals yet, don't worry. The description below has links to some foundational videos that will get you prepped. So buckle up and get ready to solve an exciting triple integral example. Triple integral from 1 to 3, from 2 to 4, and from 1 to 4 of 3x squared plus y cubed dx dy dz. To solve it, we divide it into three parts. First one is as follows. Equal double integral from 1 to 3 and from 2 to 4 of 3x squared z squared over 2 plus xy cubed dy dz with x boundaries 1 and 4. Now, if we evaluate it, it will be double integral of 45z squared over 2 plus 3y cubed dy dz. Now, the second part is this integral with respect to y, which is equal to integral from 1 to 3 of 45yz squared over 2 plus 3y power 4 over 4 dz with y boundaries of 2 and 4. Again, we evaluate to get integral from 1 to 3 of 45z squared plus 180 dz equal 45z cubed over 3 plus 180z with z boundaries of 1 and 3. Now we evaluate to get the final answer, equals 750. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.